Ever squinted so hard at a menu that you looked like you were trying to read the fine print on your life insurance policy? It's a common struggle, especially in those dimly lit restaurants where the ambiance is great, but the visibility is not. Or maybe you've lost your glasses more times than you've lost your keys, and that's saying something. The frantic search, the frustration, and the eventual relief when you find them, it's a cycle many of us know all too well. Welcome to the club. But what if I told you that you could sip your way to better vision? Yes, you heard that right. There are drinks out there that can actually help improve your eyesight. That's right, folks. Put down those magnifying glasses and pick up a drink because we're diving into the world of eye-healthy beverages. Imagine trading in your magnifying glass for a delicious, refreshing drink that benefits your eyes. In today's world, everyone's turning to natural remedies. It's a trend that's gaining momentum as people seek healthier, more organic options. It's like we're all suddenly afraid of anything that doesn't come straight from Mother Earth herself. And honestly, can you blame us? Natural ingredients often offer the best benefits. And why not? If you can improve your eyesight with a tasty drink, why wouldn't you? It's a win-win situation, delicious and beneficial. So let's raise a glass, or five, to better vision with these five fabulous drinks that are not just good for your eyes, but also delicious. These drinks are packed with nutrients that support eye health. So, grab your favorite mug, cup, or fancy glass, whatever suits your style, and let's toast to seeing things a little more clearly. Cheers to better vision and a healthier lifestyle. Your eyes will thank you, and who knows, you might even find those lost glasses along the way. Let's embark on this journey to better vision together. First up, we have the classic carrot juice. This vibrant orange elixir is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a powerhouse of nutrients. If carrots had a fan club, Bugs Bunny would be the president. He knew what he was doing, munching on those crunchy sticks. Carrots are packed with vitamin A, which is like a superhero for your eyes. This essential nutrient is crucial for maintaining good vision. This vitamin helps maintain a clear cornea, which is the surface of the eye. A healthy cornea is vital for sharp vision. It also helps your eyes see better in low light. So if you find yourself squinting in the dark, it might be time to up your carrot intake. So, next time you're struggling to read in the dark, think of it as a sign to drink more carrot juice. It's a delicious way to support your vision. Now, I know what you're thinking. Carrot juice? Really? It might sound unusual, but it's worth a try. Yes, really. It's not just for rabbits. Carrot juice is a versatile drink that can be enjoyed by everyone. Plus, it's a great way to get your daily dose of veggies without having to munch on a raw carrot. Blending them into juice makes it easier and more enjoyable. And let's be honest, no one looks cool chomping on a raw carrot. It's not the most elegant snack, but sipping on a glass of carrot juice? That's sophisticated. It's a classy way to enjoy the benefits of carrots. And the best part? Carrot juice is sweet and refreshing. It's a delightful drink that can be enjoyed any time of the day. It's like nature's candy, but without the guilt. You get the sweetness without the added sugars. So, next time you're at the grocery store, grab a bottle of carrot juice. It's a simple addition to your diet that can make a big difference. Your eyes will thank you, and you might just start seeing things a little more clearly. Embrace the orange savior and enjoy the benefits it brings. Next on the list is green tea. This isn't just any tea, it's the Zen Master of teas. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins. These little warriors help protect your eyes from oxidative stress, which is just a fancy way of saying they keep your eyes from getting damaged by harmful stuff. Imagine your eyes are a peaceful Zen garden. Catechins are like the diligent gardeners, keeping everything in balance and harmony. So every time you sip on green tea, you're basically inviting a team of tiny gardeners to take care of your eyes. How cool is that? Green tea is also super calming. It's like a spa day in a cup. So not only are you doing something good for your eyes, but you're also getting a little relaxation in the process. Talk about a win-win. Let's talk about citrus juices and their amazing benefits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, you name it, they all have something special to offer. These tangy delights are packed with vitamin C, which is like a bodyguard for your eyes, protecting them from harm. Vitamin C helps protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals, which are basically the villains in the story of your eyes. These free radicals can cause a lot of trouble if not kept in check. Think of vitamin C as the superhero that swoops in to save the day, fighting off these harmful invaders. It helps prevent cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but is actually something you want to avoid. These conditions can seriously affect your vision as you age. So, drinking citrus juice is like giving your eyes a protective shield, keeping them safe and healthy. Plus, citrus juices are delicious and refreshing. They're like a burst of sunshine in a glass, bringing brightness to your day. And who doesn't need a little more sunshine in their life? It's a simple way to boost your mood. So, next time you're feeling a little down, or just want to give your eyes some extra care, grab a glass of orange juice. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll get a nice boost of vitamin C, making you feel refreshed and revitalized. Almond milk, the Nutty Guardian. Now let's talk about almond milk. This nutty beverage is not just for lactose-intolerant folks. It's packed with vitamin E, which is like a shield for your eyes. Vitamin E helps protect your eyes from free radicals, just like vitamin C. But it also helps keep your eyes moist and healthy. Imagine your eyes are a desert, and vitamin E is the rain that keeps everything lush and green. That's what almond milk does for your eyes. It keeps them hydrated and protected, which is especially important if you spend a lot of time staring at screens. And let's not forget, almond milk is delicious. It's creamy and nutty, and it goes great in everything from cereal to smoothies. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab a carton of almond milk. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll have a tasty new addition to your diet. Beet juice, the Red Revitalizer. Last but not least, we have beet juice. This vibrant red drink is packed with nitrates, which help improve blood circulation. And better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients getting to your eyes. It's like giving your eyes a breath of fresh air. Beet juice might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to eye health, but it's a powerhouse. It helps reduce the risk of age-related vision problems and keeps your eyes healthy and vibrant. Plus, it's a great way to add a pop of color to your diet. And let's be honest, beet juice is pretty cool. It's like the rebel of the juice world. It's bold, it's vibrant, and it's not afraid to stand out. So next time you're feeling adventurous, give beet juice a try. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll have a new favorite drink. The magic of vitamin A. Now that we've talked about the drinks, let's dive a little deeper into the magic of vitamin A. This vitamin is like the fairy godmother of eye health. It helps maintain a clear cornea, which is the surface of your eye. It also helps your eyes see better in low light, which is perfect for those late-night reading sessions. Vitamin A is found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. So if you're not a fan of carrot juice, you can still get your dose of vitamin A from other sources. But let's be honest, carrot juice is the easiest and tastiest way to get your daily dose. So, next time you're feeling like your eyes need a little boost, reach for some vitamin A. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll be able to see things a little more clearly. The power of antioxidants. Antioxidants are like the bodyguards of your eyes. They protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals, which are like the villains in the story of your eyes. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which help keep your eyes healthy and vibrant. These antioxidants help reduce the risk of age-related vision problems and keep your eyes looking and feeling their best. So every time you sip on green tea, you're giving your eyes a little extra protection. And let's not forget, green tea is delicious. It's like a spa day in a cup. So next time you're feeling like your eyes need a little extra protection, reach for some green tea. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll feel a little more zen. The vitality of vitamin C. Vitamin C is like the superhero of eye health. It helps protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals and helps prevent cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Citrus juices are packed with vitamin C, which makes them the perfect drink for eye health. Drinking citrus juice is like giving your eyes a protective shield. It helps keep your eyes healthy and vibrant, and it tastes delicious. So next time you're feeling like your eyes need a little extra protection, reach for some citrus juice. And let's not forget, citrus juices are like a burst of sunshine in a glass. They're refreshing and delicious, and they give your eyes the protection they need. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab some citrus juice. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll get a nice boost of vitamin C. The shield of vitamin E. Vitamin E is like a shield for your eyes. It helps protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals and keeps them moist and healthy. Almond milk is packed with vitamin E, which makes it the perfect drink for eye health. Drinking almond milk is like giving your eyes a protective shield. It helps keep your eyes hydrated and protected, which is especially important if you spend a lot of time staring at screens. So, next time you're feeling like your eyes need a little extra protection, reach for some almond milk. And let's not forget, almond milk is delicious. It's creamy and nutty, and it goes great in everything from cereal to smoothies. So, next time you're at the grocery store, grab a carton of almond milk. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll have a tasty new addition to your diet. So, there you have it. 5 fabulous drinks that can help protect your eyes and improve your vision. From carrot juice to beet juice, these drinks are packed with nutrients that your eyes need to stay healthy and vibrant. Plus, they're all delicious, so you won't mind sipping your way to better vision. And who knows, with these drinks, your eyes might just become sharper than a hawk's. You'll be able to spot your lost glasses from a mile away. So why not give these drinks a try? Your eyes will thank you, and you'll have a tasty new addition to your diet. So raise a glass to better vision and give these drinks a try. And don't forget to share your experiences. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll be seeing things a little more clearly in no time. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and hit the bell for more health and wellness inspiration. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.